Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever been on a website late at night, trying to get an answer to a question, and a little chat window pops up asking, "How can I help you?" Or maybe you've asked your smart speaker to play a song or tell you the weather. If so, you've already interacted with a chatbot. But what exactly are these things? Are they just simple programs, or is there something more complex going on behind the scenes? Today, we're diving deep into the world of chatbots to understand what they are, how they work, their uses, and what the future holds for them. So, let's start with the basics. A chatbot, short for chatterbot, is a computer program designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice commands. Think of it as a digital assistant you can talk to. The primary goal is to make it feel like you're talking to a real person, even though you're communicating with a machine. They can be found everywhere, on websites for customer service, in messaging apps like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp, on your smartphone as virtual assistants, and even in your home through smart speakers. They're designed to be available 24/7, providing instant responses to your queries. Now, how do they actually work? This is where it gets really interesting. There are generally two main types of chatbots. The first and more basic type is the rule-based chatbot. These bots operate based on a set of pre-programmed rules. It's like a flowchart. If you say X, the bot is programmed to respond with Y. They are great for straightforward tasks, like answering frequently asked questions. For example, if you ask a retail chatbot, "What are your store hours?" it can pull that specific information from its database because it was programmed to recognize that exact question or very similar variations. However, their limitation is that if you ask something outside of their predefined rules, they get stuck and might say something like, "Sorry, I don't understand." The second, more advanced type is the AI-powered chatbot. These are the ones that really feel like you're talking to someone intelligent. They use technologies like natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning. NLP is what allows the chatbot to understand the human language, not just as keywords, but in all its messy, complex glory, including slang, typos, and different sentence structures. Machine learning enables these chatbots to learn from past conversations. The more they interact with users, the smarter they get. They start to recognize patterns, understand context, and can even predict what you might ask next. This is why AI chatbots can handle more complex, open-ended conversations and provide more personalized and relevant responses. They don't just follow a script, they analyze your intent and formulate an answer. So where are we using these chatbots today? Their applications are incredibly diverse and are growing every single day. One of the biggest areas is customer service. Companies use chatbots to handle common customer inquiries instantly, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. This means less waiting time for you and more efficiency for the company. Think about tracking a package, checking an account balance, or booking an appointment. A chatbot can do all of this in seconds. Another huge area is marketing and sales. Chatbots can act as personal shoppers, guiding you through a website, recommending products based on your preferences, and even helping you complete a purchase. They can engage with potential customers, qualify leads, and nurture them through the sales funnel. It's like having a dedicated salesperson available for every single visitor to your website, 24/7. In healthcare, chatbots are being used to schedule appointments, provide medication reminders, and answer basic health questions. They can act as a first point of contact for patients, helping to triage their symptoms before they speak to a doctor. This can be especially helpful in providing accessible health information and support. Of course, they are not a substitute for a real doctor, but they can be a valuable tool for initial guidance. Education is another field embracing chatbots. They can serve as personal tutors, helping students with homework, answering questions about course material, and providing interactive learning exercises. They can adapt to a student's learning pace, offering extra help where it's needed most. This personalized approach can make learning more engaging and effective. And let's not forget personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These are sophisticated voice-activated chatbots that have become integrated into our daily lives. We use them to set alarms, play music, get news updates, control smart home devices, and so much more. They've made technology more accessible and hands-free. If you're still watching, you must be pretty curious about this topic, and I really appreciate that. Since you're enjoying the content, I want to ask you to subscribe to my new channel if you're new here. It helps a lot and ensures you won't miss out on more deep dives into fascinating tech like this. Let's continue. So, what does the future of chatbots look like? It's heading towards something even more seamless and human-like. One of the biggest trends is the development of more emotionally intelligent chatbots. Researchers are working on AI that can recognize and respond to human emotions by analyzing text, voice tone, and even facial expressions through a camera. Imagine a customer service chatbot that can detect you frustrated and change its tone to be more empathetic, or a mental health support bot that can offer comforting words when it senses you're feeling down. Another major advancement will be in their proactive capabilities. Instead of just reacting to your questions, future chatbots will anticipate your needs. For example, your travel chatbot might notice your flight is delayed and proactively suggest alternative routes or book a hotel for you near the airport without you even having to ask. They'll become true assistants, managing tasks in the background to make our lives easier. Integration will also be key. Chatbots will be more deeply integrated into all the apps and devices we use, creating a unified conversational experience. You might start a conversation with a bot on your laptop, continue it on your phone while you're on the go, and finish it through your smart speaker at home. The bot will remember the context of the entire conversation across all platforms. We'll also see hyperpersonalization taken to the next level. Because these AI bots are constantly learning from your data and interactions, they will be able to offer recommendations, content, and assistance that is uniquely tailored to you. It's like having a personal concierge for every aspect of your digital life, one who knows your preferences better than anyone. However, with all this incredible potential, there are also important challenges and ethical considerations to address. Privacy is a huge one. These chatbots collect a massive amount of personal data to function effectively. How is that data being stored, used, and protected? Users need to be confident that their private conversations are secure and not being misused. Transparency is also crucial. Should a bot always disclose that it's not a human? Most experts agree that they should, to avoid deception and manage user expectations. Then there's the issue of bias. Since AI chatbots learn from data, they can inherit the biases present in that data. If the data used to train a bot contains racial, gender, or cultural biases, the bot's responses will reflect those biases. This is a serious problem that developers are actively working to mitigate by curating more diverse and fair training datasets. And finally, there's the concern about job displacement. As chatbots become more capable of handling tasks traditionally done by humans, what does that mean for jobs in customer service, sales, and administrative support? The consensus is that while some jobs may be automated, new jobs will also be created, roles focused on managing, developing, and improving these AI systems. The focus will shift from repetitive tasks to more creative, strategic, and emotionally intelligent work that humans excel at. In conclusion, chatbots have evolved from simple rule-based programs into sophisticated AI-powered assistants that are reshaping how we interact with technology and businesses. They are already providing immense value across various industries, from customer service and healthcare to education and personal assistance. The future promises even more intelligent, empathetic, and proactive bots that will be seamlessly integrated into our lives. While we must navigate the ethical challenges of privacy, bias, and job impact, the potential for chatbots to enhance our efficiency, convenience, and overall quality of life is undeniable. They are not just a passing trend. They are a fundamental part of our technological future. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you now have a much clearer understanding of the amazing world of chatbots. What do you think is the most exciting application for chatbots in the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video.